Right. I'm on the last leg of this job now, and even though I've put carpets in the back, this is a second-hand Land Rover mat, but on the sides I put my mat in, if you see what I mean. Problem is, being in and out and in and out like a, you know, like a fiddler's elbow, the carpet was already dirty in the first place, but I didn't want to wash it with a steam cleaner, so I did a video on this cleaner, but I didn't publish it because it wasn't very good. But it's this machine down here. This is a sort of a Karcher Puzzi 100. I should in the old video I didn't really explain how it worked, so I think I will. It's a glorified vacuum cleaner, but it's got a spray jet here. So what happens is, as your spray, you can spray a jet with this and then suck it out at the same time, and that means that the carpet or with everything you're cleaning doesn't get soaking wet. Like the seats in here came up beautiful. I might just try and put that section in here, and you can see what I was trying to do, and then we'll come back. Right, pay attention. This is just a very, very quick video on cleaning car seats using my Puzzi down here. This is an industrial cleaning machine, Karcher. I've just done the mid-row seats, and they were filthy. I don't know if you can see in here. Can you see that? See that muck? That's just out of that seat, because if you can remember, environment. If you can remember, I said that there was a dog on these seats. So, got to clean them. We'll show you how much muck comes out. So I've just emptied that container. There's still a little bit of cleaner on. Because this is a vacuum cleaner as well, it does quite well. Oh, look at the muck in here. So what I want to do is show you this dirt coming out of here. No, but just the things we do for you here. Right, can you see this? Watch this here. Can you see it? Now it's important not to get product into the foam, but even though it seems quite clean, these seats are filthy. These are out of the Spanish 110. The material is very, very good, but because we're getting on to September, then we're not going to have many warm days. In fact, with the old hurricane there down in the States, we haven't got that many days left. I thought it would be raining today. Like I say, the idea is not to get the foam all soaking wet. The bolsters are particularly nasty. These bits are called the bolster. Right. Look at that. Can you see that muck in there? Look at the muck in here. That's just out of that one cushion. But the problem with this is, there is a big problem once you start cleaning seats. You can't just clean one. Oops. You've got to clean the bloody lot. So I'm going to go in the shop now and clean the rest of the seats. And we'll come out and I'll show you the bucket. Right. So what do I use? I did have some proper Karcher, it's like a granule stuff you use, and I found out that used to bugger up the pumps. The pump inside is just like a solenoid pump, it ticks backwards and forwards. It's not very good. But it used to bugger up the pumps, these little granules. It wasn't, yeah, it was alright, but it wasn't that good. So now I'm using this Bissell liquid, and put a bit of that in, put it into warm water. Now at the front of the, it's in different sections. It's not a bad design. So at the back, you have a bucket to collect in the wastewater, and this you put in the back of the machine here, or front, whichever way you want to look at it. And then you put that on, back into there. This is the sort of clever bit. There's a rubber seal around here to a vacuum, so what happens is the vacuum's bringing water and dirt into here, and it's pulling this down, and it'll spray dirt onto this piece here, and then it'll drop back into the bucket. Well, that's the theory. Is it plugged in? So there's the pump. See? There's the jet. And there's the vacuum. Now it might get a bit noisy, but I'll switch it off now and I'll come back to it. What we'll do is we'll just do a wee section so you can see what's going on, and then let's see if I can move this camera a bit better. Right. So we'll do this little bit here, and now the water's clean in there, so we'll have a look. We'll do a bit of cleaning. I'll stop the video because it might take a little while, and then we'll have a look at the dirty water. Ooh, what fun. So here we go, I'm going to spray a mist on. Now you can probably watch the muck coming out. There you go. Bit of a zoom error there. I'm going to continue cleaning this carpet and we'll come back. So, I've cleaned the carpet. I didn't go too wild because it wasn't that bad. It was only the base carpet that was bad. As you can see, it's come up quite nice. There's a few, like, it looks patchy because some bits are a little bit wet and a bit damp. But I'll leave it with the door open, it soon dries out. Let's have a look how much muck there was. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that, that was clean. Look at it. It's absolutely filthy, can you see? Job done. Now, all I've got to do now is throw this over next door's fence. I hope you like that. It's a handy dandy little tool. Cost a fortune. But, again, when it comes to tax time, I've got to buy something. Otherwise I buy this tool or I end up paying income tax. What's it to be? But it's been great because now I don't have to go to a car, you know, like a car valeting place and do it all myself. Now, is it any good on headlines? I don't know, I don't think so, but it might be. But it's certainly dramatically changed that carpet. And like I say, that is absolutely filthy. Oh, I can't believe I got away with that. Look at that, here. Look at it. Here, let's have another look. Filthy. I'm all excited now. Right, where's next door's fence? God, it's got a lot of rubbish on there.